Maybe you've glanced at your clock lately and you've seen the time was 7:33. Or perhaps the license plate in front of you in traffic reads 733. Or maybe you're invited to an event, and the venue has the number 733 in the address. Either way, it's likely that this is no coincidence. Your angels, the universe, has something important to tell you. Yes. Angel number 733 means that you are a special and unique person who is in touch with your spirituality. You are sensitive and may even be an empath, meaning that you can feel other people's emotions. You are also highly intuitive and may have premonitions or dreams that come true. Furthermore, you are always there for others, even if they don't deserve it. You are a natural giver and often put others before yourself. This can sometimes lead you to be taken advantage of. As such, your angels are sending you the number 733 now to tell you that it is time to start thinking about your own needs. It is time to put yourself first for once. Now, this doesn't mean that you should become selfish. But you do need to nurture yourself so that you can be the best possible version you can be. What does 733 mean in manifestation? The number 733 calls on you to release negative thoughts and feelings that might prevent you from moving forward in your manifestation journey. If you have been feeling trapped by your past mistakes, your angels want you to let go of them and move on. Realize now that your past doesn't determine your future. Even if you have regrets, the future ahead looks bright. The number 7 is a very positive number that suggests divine interventions, spiritual growth, and inner wisdom. It also signifies good luck, new opportunities, and positive changes coming your way. Meanwhile, the number 3 means that you are surrounded by the universal energies of abundance and joy. There is often magical or mystical energy when the number 3 is present. Harness this energy to attract your desires to you. What does 733 mean for manifesting love? If you are single, angel number 733 means that you are about to meet a passionate person who is aligned with your soul. They may seem like a mismatch at first, but trust that there is more than meets the eye with this person. They will have similar vibrational feelings to your own. And they will help with your acceptance of life difficulties, as you navigate the harshness of the world together. The divine forces are conspiring to bring you two together, so have faith and be open to the possibilities. What does 733 mean for your relationship? If you are in a relationship, angel number 733 suggests that it is time to let go of any unrealistic concerns or fears that are weighing you down. Your relationship has become too much of a comfort zone for you, and it is time to spice things up. Be open to new experiences and adventures with your partner, and you will find that you are much happier in this relationship. Also, be sure to live life with gratitude for the joy you bring to each other's lives. Trust that the universe has a plan for you and that it will help your divine mission to move forward together in love. This is a most valuable message from above, so heed it now. What does 733 mean for your twin flame? Your twin flame is your perfect match, and you are meant to be together in this lifetime. However, before you can truly come together, it is important that you work through any issues that might be holding you back. Now you should start to see the synchronicities and coincidences in your life that are leading you to your twin. Allow the cosmic and life-giving energy of the universe to flow through you and guide you on this journey. What does 733 mean in spirituality? Now is the time for you to release any unnecessary weight or unrealistic concerns that may be holding you back. Let go of all negativity and focus on your spiritual growth. You have been given an opportunity for transformation at this time, so take it with open arms and know that you are in a truly wonderful place. Trust that the universe always has your best intentions at heart, and surrender to its divine plan for your life. With this mindset, we can be sure that all of our dreams will come true and we will experience true inner peace and happiness. What does 733 mean for money and career? For money manifestation, angel number 733 means you should focus on raising your vibration. Focus your energy on positive thoughts and actions. As you raise your vibration, you will begin to attract the financial abundance that you desire. This is a truly transformative time in your life. So let go of any negative energy or limiting beliefs that are holding you back. Remember that you are deserving of all good things, including financial abundance. With a positive mindset and an open heart, you will be able to manifest anything that you desire. In terms of your career, angel number 733 is a sign that it is time for you to take charge and follow your dreams. You have all of the tools you need to succeed and achieve your career goals. So now it is up to you to take the next step. Believe in yourself, trust in the universe, and never give up on your dreams. With persistence and hard work, you will be able to reach all of your professional goals in no time. Overall, angel number 733 is a message that it is time for you to focus on your spiritual growth. This is a time of positive change and abundance in all areas of your life, so make sure that you are open to receiving all of the good that the universe has to offer. With this mindset, you can be sure that all of your dreams will come true.